Mm-hmm. Of course I hop.
Okay.
Babe, you've got worse in your mouth. Come on.
What?
Bruh.
There you go. Look at her.
You get a shot real quick.
Oh my god! Sarai just said that!
Why are we
She
so
literally
lame?
just said that.
I know.
Hi guys, so right now I'm with my parents and my boyfriend, and we're gonna be doing a parents versus boyfriend who knows me better video. So, okay, so you guys are gonna have 2 papers. There's gonna be 3 rounds, and each round there's gonna be 5 questions, and there's gonna be a punishment after each round. It's gonna be like gross stuff like they have to have a spoonful of mayo, they have to have a bite of dog food. They've obviously known me my whole life.
No way. Are you serious?
Yeah, and he's known me for 5 years, 5-ish.
About
Almost 6. Please be sure to subscribe. You guys, please be. I can't say
She
it.
loves this.
Okay, guys, be sure to subscribe and turn on my
notifications.
It's the little bell thing, so definitely click it. Right, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first question is, what is my zodiac sign element?
What the hell is that element?
I mentioned this.
Oh, you
I
did
mentioned
mention
this like this
Hold
week.
on.
I did.
Hold on. I remember we were
Cover
talking.
it.
She's like me.
That's my nickname. Put it up there.
Right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, they're both right. Fire.
I
Fun fact, Paul, Sarai, and Nico are all fire signs. Jalen and I are air signs. So.
That's right.
What? Okay. Who is my favorite artist ever?
Oh man.
Of all time. Like, it would make me cry seeing it live. 3, 2, 1.
Frank.
Oh, yeah.
Show yours. Show yours.
I didn't know
Okay,
that.
this
I
is
never
right.
knew.
Excision.
Isn't Frank the one that has all those excuses?
He's
He
nervous.
has
Why not?
anxiety. We all know what that feels like, right?
Yeah. What is my biggest pet peeve?
Really? Oh, she hates me then.
I think it's going.
She so hates me.
You don't know? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Locking garage door.
That's her OCD.
So both of these have to do with me. Wow.
Smacking is like my biggest pet peeve.
So
Wow.
when you smack your lips when you eat, that's a deal breaker.
Okay, so they are tied 2 to 2. What is my dream vacation spot? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Grease.
This is how you throw a party in Mykonos, bitch.
Wow.
Jeez. Okay, tied 3, 3. This is like a 2-part question. What's my favorite caffeinated drink right now? And
gosh.
how many milligrams of caffeine do I usually drink in a day?
You should have did like 3 teams.
What?
Okay, got it. I got it.
We got it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's like that Celsius or the.
Alani, Tropsical 600 milligrams,
Tropsical.
Tropsical 200 milligrams. Okay, they're both wrong. I drink 400 milligrams.
No,
a
you
day.
don't. We
400.
added it up the other day.
Yeah, that
Wait,
was
how
that
is
was
it?
just
It's a
one
2-point
day.
question. I got the Tropsical right though.
Yeah, you guys.
Yeah,
got
so
it.
did I.
Okay, so 0.5 for both of you guys. This is who gets the punishment. When was the last time I cried and why?
That's like a weird question.
I'm right. 3, 2, 1, go.
You fake cried.
No,
Yeah, you did.
it turned into a real cry though.
Yeah, but then it's still you cried.
Winner, winner.
But
Chicken
what
dinner.
was the reason why
Wasn't
I
me.
cried? No, but
Easter,
April
because she
12th.
thought she was fat after dinner.
Feeling chubby.
yeah, it's feeling.
So the reason
we're both
why
right.
you cried, you fake cried to make
Well,
yourself
then
cry.
who?
Boom.
Then you screwed
Tiebreaker.
yourself, so we both winners.
That's why I said it wasn't a good question.
Okay, this is the deal breaker. What do I think is my worst trait, personality-wise?
We need more paper. It's gotta be something she got from me.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Tell yours.
OCD anxiety.
I put nose.
And you know what, Jay? I totally would be with you on that because that's how she.
My nose
I-
isn't fluffy like
I don't
Nico's, and
I-
I need a nose job. My answer was impatient / getting irritated easily. Quick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I wasn't creating videos, what would my dream job be? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Popping pimples.
Pimple popper.
No!
Wow.
Let's
You're a
go!
since you were a baby.
No.
Spin
Yeah,
that
it is.
wheel.
Look at
No, that's
Spin
something else.
that wheel. Oh, yup. Let's see this.
Don't be scared.
At least it's in there.
Don't be scared. Bite of dog food.
I've always wanted to try it.
Okay, so I have Freedom Grain-Free Hearty Chicken Dinner.
Okay, don't eat it yet, Dad.
He's excited, low-key. I feel like I'm already getting the gag reflex.
Are we supposed to wait? There we go.
He's so
Count
excited.
that. I just want to get it over with.
Hey, it smells good.
Okay, go. Ew.
It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't.
I literally feel nauseous.
Lick it.
No. You got
I
it.
don't
You got
think
it.
I
You
can.
got it. Come
You
on.
can do this.
You gave birth to 2 kids.
No, I
Come on.
didn't. I had 2 C-sections.
No, that kid actually turned out good.
Yeah, I think
Didn't
so.
compromise the other area. Hey, that's another video. Straight, don't let her get away with not doing it.
Next. Okay, we're done.
Round 2.
What?
We're gonna have 3 questions per round now instead of 5 because I literally can't think of anything. So let's see who wins. What is one food I cannot live without? 3, 2, 1, go.
Eggs.
Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza and cherry coke.
Well, I haven't seen you eat pizza lately, so
Do I prefer Instagram stories or Snapchat stories?
snap.
Okay.
Third and final for this round.
What's my dream car?
We gonna send this in OT.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Got it right.
You guys are so annoying.
Tesla.
You know what, Jay? I like you. You're good. And I appreciate your attention to detail, Jay.
It's all over the place. Let's go. Bite an onion. I'll take that, baby. I'll take that.
You're gonna smell amazing.
Hey, you still gonna kiss me?
Oh my god.
Yeah. You do another one? Oh. Whew. Next.
Third and final
Let's go.
round. What helps me when I'm stressed out?
What's wrong?
Because you're getting, if we lose, it's you.
No,
you're
it's
doing
not.
yes.
I'm not doing it because you're the one
Yes.
breaking. No.
No changing. 3, 2, 1, go.
But working out, me and drinking.
Working out.
That's what
That
I
was
said.
number 1.
That's what I told him.
How much screen time do you think I've used today? Closest answer wins.
And I'm not allowed to answer?
Yeah, you can. You guys are
No,
a team.
He won't let me.
Yeah, we're a team. In minutes or hours and minutes?
Hours and minutes. I'm so mad right now. You know
Okay,
what I mean?
ready?
Nope.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hour 30.
Oh no, Dad's right. Dad's gonna be faster.
Dad was right.
Yeah.
Damn, you've been on that phone for how much?
Yeah.
3 hours and 7 minutes.
Yep.
I did 3 hours and 18 minutes.
Let me give you a public apology. I'm so sorry.
What is my most used app? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Instagram.
Snapchat? Instagram.
Let's go! Bring out the confetti, baby! That's actually
Good.
Green juice. Okay, I'm gonna go make it real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my water.
Is there a crown?
I need a trophy.
I'm so excited about this. This was the highlight of my week.
Just wait.
Look how cool that is.
Oh my god, I love you.
And you get the 3rd place.
Oh, why do I get 3rd place? I should have 2nd place.
second.
No!
Voila. Okay, I'm gonna go bring that to them.
No, not 2 for us.
Yeah.
No, I did the dog food and she
No,
didn't.
because you made me lose.
Oh,
If you would have listened to
kidding
me.
me?
What's in this?
You better start drinking this.
Mom, drink it.
I had dog food and
Mom,
And
you're
that-
so dramatic.
babe, you've got worse in your mouth. Come on.
What?
What?
Okay, no. Okay, so the winner is...
Me!
Okay, so... Stupid. I hope you guys guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys have any other requests for us to do, let us know down below.
I'm not drinking nothing, eating nothing.
We were gonna do like shots, but we're trying to keep it PG-13, so we did this.
I'm gonna take a
instead.
victory shot after this.
Oh.
Okay.
I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and definitely give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing. Just definitely click it. 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.